Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming the problem and scope on your device and network. Check if other sites load and if the issue is limited to one domain. Use ping and traceroute to identify where packets stop in the network. Open your network settings and verify DHCP is active and the device has a valid IP address from the router. Restart the browser and test in private mode to rule out extensions and cached errors before moving to network changes. Flush the DNS cache on your device to remove stale name records immediately. Use ipconfig/flushdns on Windows or sudo systemd-resolve flush caches on Linux and Mac OS commands. Change DNS servers to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 if your ISP DNS is blocking or slow. Restart your router and modem and power cycle your device to refresh connections and IP assignments. Clear browser cache. Inspect your host's file to ensure the domain is not redirected locally to 127.0.0.1 or another IP. Temporarily disable firewall, proxy, or VPN settings on your device to rule out local blocking and misconfiguration. Try accessing the site through a different network, such as a mobile hotspot or a reputable VPN, to determine if the ISP or region is causing the block. If issues persist, collect traceroute and browser console logs, and contact your ISP or the site operator with those details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.